So we set out to build an RGB build out of the Silverstone Primera case using Gigabyte components and Gigabyte recommended Fusion components, including this little guy right here, the LEPA CPU NEOllusion cooler. And all I can say is the reviews have been a bit mixed on this one. And we're going to do a quick unboxing, get it mounted, and we'll see what's going on. And here we are. So let's get this thing opened up. Opening it up here, got a cool little leopard thing. And there's our fan. Spin that around. And that's a look at it right there. Ooh, fancy. 3-pin connector. Set that off to the side. Got some documentation there. Always useful. Some mounting hardware. And remote control. That's for turning it on and off and choosing your colors. And that's that. So liberal amount right in the middle, like so. Place that on there. Got a bracket which goes through here. Start it on each side. Take the fan here, clip it back on, plug it into the CPU fan. So here we are, got it up and running, and this is where our frustrations really begin. We got our remote right here. Hit the on button, as you can see, that comes on. These are LED here, top and bottom. They're supposed to be on, they're not. Let's try changing colors. Yellow, okay. Turns on yellow here. This is more of a reddish, I would say, top and bottom. Go to blue, nothing at all. Orange, who knows. And I'll turn it off, turn it back on, try it again. It's purpley and red. But try yellow again. Not really yellow on the top and bottom, but you know, does do it right there. And sometimes we don't get anything top and bottom, and that there. So like that, just like that. So that's a quick look at the LEPA NEOllusion cooler, and as you can see, the RGB doesn't work great, if it works at all. Sometimes it doesn't turn on, sometimes the colors are wrong. I guess that would be the cons list. Also, the thermal performance isn't great. Pretty much anytime we load up a game, it throttles right up and speed. You know, the fans spin pretty fast. And yeah, and on the pros side, it has a fan and it lights up. So that's about as far as we'll go with that. Otherwise, probably get something else because it doesn't work very well. Anyway, we will see you guys next time.